Americans are turning simple snapshots into serious cash. Yes, you can earn from the photos sitting on your phone right now. Let me show you 5 quick ways to turn pictures into profit. Stock photography. Upload everyday photos, family, food, travel to sites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Each download earns you royalties. Think of it as passive income from your camera roll. Print on demand. Platforms like Redbubble and Teespring let you print your photos on shirts, mugs, and posters. Americans love personalized products, and you earn a commission on every sale. Social media and sponsorships. Grow an Instagram or Pinterest page with creative photos. Brands pay US creators for sponsored posts and affiliate marketing. Your hobby can become a paid partnership. Local marketplaces. Sell photo prints on Etsy or Facebook Marketplace. Landscapes, portraits, or custom art. Americans love supporting local creators and unique visuals. Freelance gigs. Offer photo editing or product photography on Fiverr and Upwork. US businesses are constantly hiring freelancers for affordable, high-quality work.